while we are waiting, I will ask a question of all of you. Somebody had posed this question earlier, if you have any advice for people wanting to take on a teaching as research project. Jennifer, go ahead.
I think my main recommendation, which I was told and I'm very grateful for, is to pick smaller than you think it has to be, especially when it comes to figuring out how and what you're going to assess that the students learned, because we'd all love to be able to teach the students an entire semester's worth of everything, but it's just impossible to really keep track of. So just keeping it very specific. Like, so instead of saying I want to teach material science, it was I'm looking at this phase diagram, I want you to understand this phase diagram, and that made it much more possible for me to actually do data analysis to figure out what the students understood.
That makes a lot of sense, yeah. Yeah, Ashley, did you also have something that you were going to say or no? Yeah.
Hi. Yes, I can add to that. I can add a comment to that too. In terms of, for me, it was finding a teaching mentor. So I just happened to be lucky in that my research mentor, not my main research mentor, but another research mentor, a collaborator, had an interest in teaching, and I was able to kind of get a teaching mentorship through that, and the opportunity to kind of get, you know, into a position where I could teach, being in a biomedical program. But then also, I think finding the teaching mentor is key in terms of helping you shape and kind of get that going.
That's very true. Great.